Today we're covering the quick detached smart mount driver backrest. Here at Showchrome, we're all about comfort and quality. The smart mount system makes it easy to put on and take off in seconds. When not in use, your Ryker will still maintain its clean look, no brackets sticking out. Works with or without the MaxMount SHAD bags. After you install the mounting bracket, just slide it into place. It folds forward for easy mounting and dismounting. The pads measure 6.5 by 9 3/4 inches, about the size of a football. The backrest is a comfort game changer, and the Ryker is still looking clean. The vertical and horizontal adjustment gives you that perfect fit. The backrest pivots to give you more support, made with UV protected material so it won't fade on you. The backrests are available in black or red stitching. For a custom look, go with the red stitching. All backrests are hand sewn in Rice Lake, Wisconsin. It's an easy install with all the mounting hardware included. Check out our complete line of covers and storage solutions to make your Ryker stand out. Thanks for checking us out, and remember, it's your ride, only better with Showchrome. I'm Keith, and I'll see you down the road.